Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the problem. Clean the panel thoroughly to remove wax and contaminants because paint won't adhere to grease. Next, sand the chip or scratch with 180 then 320 grit to remove loose paint and feather the edges. This creates a uniform profile for primer. Once sanded, blow off dust, tack cloth the area, and mask adjacent panels with a 3/4 overlap to protect them. You're now ready to apply primer immediately to avoid flash rust or contamination. You apply 2 to 3 light coats of automotive primer. This builds adhesion and fills minor imperfections. Wait 10 to 15 minutes flash time between thin passes to avoid runs. Once cured to tack, wet sand with 400 to 600 grit to level the primer without exposing bare metal. Make sure to clean the surface again, then spray the base coat in 3 overlapping passes from 6 to 8 inches away. This ensures even coverage and color match. If you need a second color layer, let the first film flash fully. You finish by spraying 2 to 3 full clear coat layers. Keep a steady, even motion and maintain 6 to 8 inches distance to avoid runs. The clear protects and adds gloss. After full cure, wet sand with 1,500 then 2,000 grit to remove orange peel, then polish with a medium compound followed by a finishing polish to restore shine. If you see runs, let cure, level with 1,500 grit and re-clear. If color still mismatches, check base coat opacity and consider a blend panel before final clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.